This is the Iron Trader, and it is Hump Day, and it's also Crude Day. So we're going to be reviewing crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the API numbers came out last night, and there was a pretty good sized build in crude oil and gasoline. There was a good draw in Cushing and in distillates. The EIA report here will be out today at 10:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude. This is a daily chart. Now, let's just do a real quick review here. Last week, we had a nice bottoming candle here, and then we have a series of higher highs going on. Now, today, it just looks like it's sideways action. Of course, we don't know until we get into that EIA report if that's going to boost it up or take it right on down again here. So let's just look at the support levels here. So what we want to do is look at this key 8 SMA here. Okay, this is sitting at 71.81. If that is lost, then what we want to do is we want to look to yesterday's low. Okay, that's sitting at 71.34. Then we want to look here at 71.04. Then what we want to do is we want to look here at the top of this candle here. This is 69.84, and then the bottom of this candle here, which is 67.95. So here's your good support levels here. Now, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to take a look here at yesterday's candle, the top. So you're sitting here at 73.78. And then we would go to this candle here, the bottom of it, which is 74.53. Then we start hitting all these SMAs here. So you got the 50-day, 75.41, your 100-day sitting at 76.54, and now your 21-day here is sitting at 76.21, which just curled down below here your 100-day and is headed for your 50-day. So that's needs to go right back up here again. See like how it did here, and rally right back up here will take the price up here now. So this looks like a sideways action here. You're going to have very strong resistance in this level here with all these simple moving averages. But if it can get above, then we have to look here at this 81.26, and then your retest here at 83.53. So let's take a look here on the weekly and on the monthly. All right, here's your weekly. So basically on the downside, we want to look at this key level here, 66.97. That's your 200 SMA. That's going to be key support, okay? So there are other support levels there. So you want to definitely, you want to look here at the top of this candle here, 71.67. You want to look here at 69.13. But this key level, 66.97, that is going to be the key. And if that is lost, then you can hit this candle here, 64.36, and then 63.64. Okay, now on the upside, you want to look here at this 8 SMA, 75.86, and this 21 at 76.97. So this is going to be strong resistance right here on this level here. Now, the key level is going to be on the monthly chart is going to be this 200 SMA, sitting at 72.70. You really, for the month, need to close back above this, okay? If not, then we have this 50 SMA sitting right here at 66.05. And then you have a retest here, 62.43, and then your 100. If it really gets hammered at 59.45, but I don't know at this time period here going into summer driving, yeah, I don't think it's going to hit down that low. So if you look here, we have a nice double bottom right there. Even though you put a lower low, you put in a red dog candle here. So like if you look on the daily chart here compared to what we have here, see the red dogs. This was a really huge one. So maybe we're going to get some sideways action here. Okay, so as long as it stays sideways and you hold above this key 8 SMA here, the price of crude is good. But it's just going to be this key area right here with all these simple moving averages. All right, let's take a look here at natural gas. All right, natural gas, this here is just a daily chart. Now, when you look at the natural gas here, it's basically the same thing. It's just a sideways pattern. You're trading in your price channels, which are still very much intact. 2.529 on top, 1.946. You're pretty much sitting in the center of that there. So we want to watch all these simple moving averages here. You want to watch your 21, But these are all just crowded together now at 2.22. Okay, you got 2.20. You got your one right here as sitting at your 50-day is sitting at 2.3. So you're all sitting right there. So right now, these SMAs are not a really big factor in what you want to do. Is you just want to really trade these price channels here. Because you look and see how these red candles came in. You had 4 red candles came in, but again, you did hold this 1.946. Okay, and then the lowest that it got here was 2.031, and then it rallied up for 3 days, and we got to see what what it's actually going to do today. But I would just trade these price channels right here because that's going to be the big thing. These SMAs here just pretty much all bundle up this sideways action. They don't mean really a whole lot right now. So I'll have more for this here on crude oil and natural gas for you after the pit close. Might be a little earlier here today, right around the 2 o'clock area. All right, thanks for watching.